Both national highways have now been cut off in Manipur due to landslide. With relentless rainfall causing widespread flooding and destruction in Manipur, a massive landslide near Phesama, Nagaland, has cut off the state's main lifeline, National Highway number 2, raising concerns over essential supplies. In response, Mao MLA Losi Dikho conducted a survey today along National Highway 2 point at Mao to Chakhabama via Kedima Road bordering Nagaland after sensing urgent need to find alternate route to transport items to Manipur. After the survey, he has called for immediate repairing of the said road to facilitate uninterrupted flow of passengers, vehicles and six-wheeled heavy vehicles ferrying commodities and items to Manipur. The MLA pointed out that the surveyed road is the alternate lifeline to the state until a bypass road is constructed at Phesama landslide site, as other highways such as National Highway 37, Imphal Jiribam Highway are also facing frequent landslides. Dikho emphasized that while sections of the road in Nagaland are well maintained, stretches within Manipur have deteriorated over time. Despite the narrow roads, he noted that six-wheelers can still ply until National Highway 2 is restored. Meanwhile, heavy vehicles bound for Manipur have remained stranded near Kohima since June 1st, with drivers struggling due to lack of basic amenities. Flooding and landslides continue to impact much of northeast India, with Manipur among the worst affected. Although small vehicles are permitted on narrow alternate roads, ongoing inclement weather is likely to delay National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited's work on a bypass road at Phesama.